Hi, let us start with now actual method of preparation of bakelite. In the last lecture we saw how do we get hydroxymethylphenol in both that was acidic as well as the basic medium. Now let us start with the actual method of preparation of bakelite. See it properly. Now we have started with the first, that is orthohydroxyphenol. Okay, and now the two molecules of it, hydroxymethylphenol, the two molecules of it, they are just combining with each other. There is just a removal of water molecule, and then what do I get? I get a compound. The very first line I have written, okay, nothing else. I have just removed a water molecule. I have taken two molecules of hydroxymethylphenol, उसमें से मैंने वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव किया. वो जो CH2 है, that is a bridge which I have written in red, that is a bridge between the two. Now the next step, as it is a polymerization, I take n molecules of the same, okay, that undergoes polymerization, and the continuous chain, matlab that unit is repeated again and again. That is a linear structure which is called as novolac. That is a linear structure which is called as novolac. So novolac is a linear structure, a straight chain, no branches usme, okay. So depending on the number of molecules of hydroxymethylphenol you take, that will be the reaction accordingly. Now the next step is step 3. Now we proceed with the method of preparation of bakelite, a superb method of preparation I could say. I have taken novolac, same way I have written it. Okay, novolac का ही structure है. The structure you could see here, ये जो structure है, ये इसका उल्टा है, that's all. Exactly opposite of this, उल्टा structure है, समझा? वो जो ऑर्थो पे मैंने जस्ट शिफ्ट किया उसको, उसका मिरर इमेज लिया, सो वो OH एंड CH2 नीचे गया, दैट्स ऑल. सो दीज आर द स्ट्रक्चर्स. वो उल्टा, यही स्ट्रक्चर उल्टा लिख के मैंने ये लिया. ओके, नाउ इट इज रिएक्टिंग. द सेंटर यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है टू मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड, HCHO, पर्पसली लिखा है मैंने ऐसा. सो दीज आर द टू मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस? HOH कंबाइन हुआ, HOH वहां पे भी कंबाइन हुआ, सिंपल रिमूवल ऑफ टू वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स, the removal of two water molecules. The next structure you can see, the structure of bakelite. CH2 forms a bridge between, it's a cross-linked polymer. That's all. A simple method by which you can prepare bakelite. So this is a method of preparation of bakelite. Just go through it, dear students. See whether you are able to understand. If you are not able to understand, do ask me. Okay. So this is all about the method of preparation of bakelite. Okay. So all for today.